Hi, welcome back to my channel. So we've seen the leaks now regarding the new DJI Mini 3 or Mini 3 Pro. So these leaks have been shown on Jasper Ellen's Twitter page. So these leaks do sound quite real and, you know, confirming that there is going to be a new DJI Mini 3 coming out. So let's just get into the video and have a look at the leaks. Right, so as you can see here in this video, so you can see there it's got the sensors on there and it does say Mini 3 on the arm. Don't know why it's shaped like that, and you can see it is the 249 gram. So it's going to weigh 249 grams. So that's ultra light there as well. And you've got the sensors on there as well. I don't know what size the lens is going to be. Don't know if it's going to be a 1/2 inch or a 1 inch sensor, but there you can see you got the Mini 3 logo, and I believe it says Mini 3 Pro there. And there's a serial number there, which does say DJI. Does look official as well. Like I said, this is on the Jasper Ellen's Twitter page as well, and there you can see it's got a bigger battery, so it's a 200 milliamp battery, so it's going to be a better battery compared to the Mini 2, so it's going to rival that on flight time. So this does look like a viable DJI Mini 3 there as well. It's a weird design with these forward sensors there, and the way the camera is as well. So also I'm going to show you some still pictures. So we've got some still pictures here that I can show you. So these are the still pictures coming up. So it just says the Mini 3 there as well on there. And there you can see a bit clearer with the weight, the 249 grams. On there, and then there's a serial number. You've got little vents on there as well, and you can see the actual sensors at the back as well on there for obstacle avoidance, and there's the battery as well. So to me it does look official on there as well. You know, this is it here. So this is the new DJI Mini 3 Pro. It has a bigger 245 milliamp battery, improved 3-axis gimbal and camera, f.1.7, huge front and ground sensors as well. So there's new backward sensors, and the weight is going to be 249 grams. So it's going to beat the Mini 2, and they expect it's going to be out in the next few weeks. So I'd say around the middle of April or the end of April we should hear from DJI. We haven't got a price on it at the moment on leaks, but I bet the price will be coming up shortly as well. So, you know, tell me what you think. You know, these are the actual leaked pictures. Like I said, on the Jasper Ellen's Twitter page, he's very good with these leaks as well. So what do you think to the new leaks on the DJI Mini 3 or the Mini 3 Pro? So it does look like DJI are bringing out a new drone, which was, is confirmed on the Jasper Ellen's Twitter website. So, you know, comment below on what you think, you know, on the specs of the new drone that's coming out. Also, could you like on this video as well, because it does help with the YouTube algorithm. And also, could you comment below of anything, any comments you've got, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new to this channel, BKM Tech and Gadgets, because I have got some videos coming up in the future on tech and gadgets. And if you hit the notification bell, that will help as well to notify of when the new videos are coming out. So I hope everybody's all well, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you soon on my channel, BKM Tech and Gadgets.